In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or delete comments in Google Sheets. Now, working collaboratively in Google Sheets can be really effective, especially when you know how to communicate efficiently through comments. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to get started by opening a Google Sheet. If you already have one in mind, just go ahead and open it up. If not, you can quickly create a new one. This is essential because comments are tied to specific cells within these sheets. Once you're inside your spreadsheet, the next step is to select the cell where you'd like to add a comment. If you're collaborating with others, think about where your input is most valuable to the group or where you'd like to leave a note. After making your selection, you need to perform a right-click on that cell. This will trigger a context menu with several options. In the menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Comment. Go ahead and click on this option. This is where the magic happens. A comment box will pop up, allowing you to add your thoughts or notes about the cell's contents. Simply type in your comment, keeping it clear and relevant so your collaborators can easily understand your input. After typing your comment, you'll need to submit it. To do this, click on the Comment button within the pop-up box. Now your comment is successfully added to the cell, and anyone who hovers over that cell will be able to see what you've written. Now let's say you've made an error or your comment is no longer necessary. Not to worry, as deleting a comment is just as simple. First, you'll need to hover your mouse over the cell containing the comment you wish to remove. This action will make the comment visible, along with additional options. When your comment pops up, look for more options represented by 3 vertical dots, typically in the top right corner of the comment box. Clicking on it will present you with a list of choices. Within this list, find and select the Delete option. Once you've selected Delete, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. To finalize removing the comment, simply click Delete again. This will permanently remove the comment from the cell, ensuring that there's no leftover clutter in your spreadsheet. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and delete comments in Google Sheets, a simple yet essential skill for effective collaboration. Whether you're working with a team or managing a project solo, these steps will help you keep everything organized and clear for everyone involved. Thanks for joining me today, and happy commenting.